Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add arrows in Excel step by step. First, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen in the main ribbon. Once you're there, you'll see the ribbon display different groups of options. What we're looking for is the Illustrations group. Within that Illustrations group, click on the Shapes button. This opens a drop-down menu showing all the available shapes you can insert. You'll see categories like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, and block arrows. Now it's time to pick your arrow style. If you want a simple line arrow, look in the Lines section at the top of the menu. If you want a thicker, filled arrow that's good for flowcharts, scroll down to the Block Arrows section. Click on whichever arrow style you want to use. You'll notice your cursor changes into a crosshair, that plus sign. Now click and drag anywhere on your worksheet to create the arrow. As soon as you release the mouse, the arrow appears on the worksheet with selection handles at the ends and corners. If you're happy with the basic arrow, you're done. But if you want to customize it, keep the arrow selected and look at the top of the screen. A Shape Format tab appears in the ribbon when the arrow is selected. This gives you all your customization options. To change the arrow's color, click the Shape Outline dropdown in the Shape Styles group and select a color. The arrow changes color immediately. If you want to adjust the arrow's thickness, click Shape Outline again, then hover over Weight and select a line width from the preset options. The arrow line becomes thicker or thinner right away. For a dashed or dotted arrow instead of solid, go back to Shape Outline, hover over Dashes, and select a style. The arrow line changes from solid to your chosen dash pattern. And if you want to customize the arrowheads themselves, maybe you want arrows on both ends, or a different arrowhead style, click Shape Outline one more time, hover over Arrows, and select the arrow type you want. The arrowhead style updates instantly. Quick tip, when you're first drawing the arrow, if you hold Shift while dragging, it keeps the arrow perfectly straight, either horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle. And once your arrow's on the worksheet, you can move it by clicking and dragging it to a new spot, or resize it using those selection handles. If you need the same arrow in multiple places, just copy it with Ctrl-C and paste it with Ctrl-V wherever you need it. If you used a block arrow and want to add text inside it, right-click the arrow and select Edit Text. And if you want to delete it, just click the arrow to select it and press Delete. And that's how to add arrows in Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.